Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will know something about Independence Day and we also know about how to give a speech. Now let's start friends. Independence Day is the basic right understood by human beings or other way round understanding the importance of Independence Day for every living being make us human. So, best wishes to all on the Independence Day of India, our motherland. I am sure that 15 August and 26 January always inspire all of us to contribute even more vigorously to make this country better place to live. Try to understand friends. Here betterment we are expecting in terms of law and order, basic infrastructure, health hygiene, self security, educational facility, technological growth, and of course, more balanced, mature, and considerate mindsets. But but then, after more than 60 years of being independence and republic in villages, human still have to walk long distance for water which is not always clean. Many farmers commit suicide because of the debt burden. Kids die because of hunger. We dream to be developed country by year 2020. Friends, it is impossible without our wholehearted support to national building systems minds. We must realize concentrate more on our responsibilities and duties than the rights given by our constitution. Do not ask what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country. Make of us know how much effort leave have gone in making this country independent. But then, we should not forget how our nation has progressed after independence in decade of 1960. Friends, I want to some say then please try to understand how our country is progressed after independence. Let's start. 40 lakhs Indian die only because of hunger. Then, because of success in Green Revolution and Operation Flood, today we are self-reliant in these fields. Hard work of few stalwarts has automatically proved to world that India are capable to handle any different situation. In this video, we will know some about how to our country is died before independence and how our India is progressed after independence. Some think are left. Hence, are responsible patriotic citizen. There are many tasks we have to do in future. We should stop widespread abuse of energy, water, natural resource, environment. Sometimes conserving, saving is better option for generating. We should stop threatening Mother Earth, our own life support system. We should assist Mother Earth to heal her wounds and in process heal our own indeed. Though we may not be directly responsible for deforestation, climate change, and contamination of soil and water, but we or our generation will be one who is going to be affected terribly by this. Tree plantation and conservation can be simple, attainable, and guarantees solution for any of above or all problems. This will our ecosystem for sure. Speech is finished, but I want to share with you on independence. Student is happy, look like a kite because kite is flying in sky without any foundation. Now speech is finished. Happy independence to all my dear friends. Thanks for watching my video.